If you want a rhinoplasty and you are unhappy with your nose, Dr. Dayan is your guy. My name is Brooke. I am making this video so that you guys know how amazing Dr. Dayan is. Growing up, I always had a very bony nose here, but it was something where it kind of bothered me, but I never really thought I could do anything about it. I met a client of mine and she had a rhinoplasty by Dr. Dayan, and I was stunned as to how amazing and perfect her nose was.
So then I was like, okay, schedule me as soon as possible. Like, let's do this thing. I was so excited. So I think I've been always a very confident person. And, you know, I had people ask me growing up, like, did you break your nose? What happened to your nose? Because I had bones that were sticking out pretty badly at the top. But I kind of just thought, you know, accept myself for who I am and that kind of thing, which is definitely a great thing to do. However, I do think it's okay to make enhancements to make you feel better or look better and make your appearance better. So getting a rhinoplasty just made me a little bit happier with my appearance, made me a little bit more confident, taking pictures with friends and things like that.
He made me feel so comfortable, and I have trust issues, so I was very nervous. I didn't think that I would be able to actually schedule surgery and go through with it. I could not believe that they were able to get me in right away. And like I said, 2 months later, I was there in the surgery center. I could not wait for surgery. I didn't even sleep the night before because I was so excited. The best part about it is that people could tell that there was a subliminal change, as Dr. Dayan talks about in his book, but nobody could really put their finger on it as to what it was that I did.
Like, we all wear makeup, right, for an enhancement. I feel like plastic surgery is the same thing. Dr. Dayan doesn't make you look like a completely different person. You still look like yourself, you just look like you've had a little bit of, you know, a boost. My advice would be, don't be afraid to do it. When you're in the hands of a really good doctor like Dr. Dayan, I did my research along with the referral, and that's why I felt as though it was gonna be a great decision of mine, and it's the best decision I ever made.
Dr. Dayan is a top surgeon in Chicago. He's been doing this for 20 plus years. He has experience. He has so many patients that he has worked on that look absolutely phenomenal. So it's kind of like a no-brainer. Like, why wouldn't you choose Dr. Dayan?
Yeah, I think everybody should get a rhinoplasty.